Hey guys, in this video we're going to practice using algebraic equations to solve word problems. Please keep in mind when you write an algebraic equation there's three key components. You're going to have variables, which are letters that represent missing information. You're going to have some numbers, and then you're also going to have operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So our first example, we have your friend brought 3 bags of wild birdseed and an $18 bird feeder. Each bag of birdseed cost the same amount. If your friend spent $45, find the total cost of 1 bag of birdseed. So the first thing I want to do is figure out what my variable is going to represent. And that's always the missing piece of information. And in this case, the missing piece of information is the cost of 1 bag of birdseed. So since we're talking about birdseed, I'm going to have my variable be a b. So I buy 3 bags of wild birdseed at some price. So if I think about it, if I knew the price was $4, I would do 3 times 4 to get my total cost. If I knew the price was $12, I'd do 3 times 12 to get 36 for the total cost. So if the cost is b dollars, it would be 3 times b. I'm also buying an $18 bird feeder. So since that's another expense, we add 18. And my total cost is 45. So we'll set this equal to 45. Once you have your two-step equation set up, you solve it just like you would any other equation. So you can draw your house here. Remember, the 18 leaves first, so we subtract 18 from both sides. We divide by 3, and at the end, we would get our answer. So I would say b is equal to 9. And if I want to check my work, I could say, all right, well, if I buy 3 bags of birdseed at $9 each, that's 27. 27 plus 18 will get me up to my 45. Let's look at another example. The temperature is 8 degrees Fahrenheit. It is expected to fall 5 degrees each hour for the next several hours. In how many hours will the temperature be -7? So again, I want to start by defining what my variable will be, and I know that it's going to represent how many hours pass because that's the missing piece of information. So the temperature starts off at 8 degrees. And if it's dropping, it's getting lower, so that's going to be a subtraction problem. And it goes down 5 degrees each hour for some amount of hours. And I don't know how many, so I'm going to say that's h. So 5 degrees times some number of hours. And after that time passes, the temperature will be -7. And just like before, you solve this like a normal two-step equation. So I would start by subtracting 8 on both sides and then dividing by the -5, and I would find out that it took 3 hours for the temperature to make that drop.